Guys, it's me, and today we are just going to play Theme Park Tycoon. It's this one, the one that is on video, and today we are just playing. Get a guess? Where are we? Welcome. I can read that. Let's see. It says, "Welcome. You are playing your very first Roblox creation. Look around. Try to find all 7 hidden items." That's weird. That's weird. Know what we're looking for. Under construction. There must be something over here. What are the hidden items? I think it's... Nope, not it. It's just some light. What are these chairs? I don't know. What's that? Try using the road tool in the studio cave paths. Supposed to look for a blue ball thing for cave paths, whatever they are. I don't know what a cave path is. Let's go through the door. A bed, cool. Can we sleep? No, we can't. Can you die in this game? I don't know. Oh, there's a path. Oh, look, I have a light. I don't need it right now. Actually, I do, maybe. If I go to a cave path. Oh, I think that's one of them. Let's go in here. There might be a clue. Dang it. Not yet. I'm gonna go in that cave. I hope there is no bears. Really, I do. Okay, now let's get out the lamp. No. Okay, let's go up, 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 up. Yes, I found something. What's this jar for? Oh god. Oh my, what is this for? Okay. It's for throwing out... What was that? I'm the... Oh. Me and that girl are the only ones here. Nope. Let's swim, 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 swim. Can I light in the water? I don't like the sound of the water. Okay. So it says the cave paths are this way. I like this one better. It leaves out fireflies, so I know where I've been. I'm going up really high. Oh, there is the... She has a gravity coil? Not fair. Oh, here. Gonna leave out some things. Fireflies. Fireflies. I need fireflies. I found something. What is this? It's a cape of some kind. What can I use it for? Maybe I can fly? Nope, I don't know what this thing is for, so... It's just jumping all the time. Is it a jumping coil or something? There's something... Oh! It's a... Yes! Oh, it's a gravity coil! So that's how they work. That is so awesome. I am jumping everywhere. Last time I played this, the first thing I found was the speed coil. I'm gonna jump on that tree. That jumps way higher. Yay. How would I jump on that large tree? Very large indeed. Okay. No, stay with me, air. What's that? Oh gosh. It was like nighttime. The early trend. Does it time pass actually that fast? That's weird. Oh, oh no, she's using the firefly one. How would I use mine too? No, she's using a clock. What's this for? Oh, she has the. Oh, how is time passing so fast? That's weird. That's weird. Really weird. I mean it. What's in here? Supposed to sleep? No, I don't think so. No, she is very fast here. How would I follow her with my gravity coil so I can jump in far away distances to reach her? Here. Oh, hey, I've been here. She's using my same technique. Let's race. How about that? Dang it. No, no, no. Not fair. Oh gosh, she has the... No, she's gonna get it before me. Where did she go? Snow, 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 snow. I don't like this game actually. What are the comments? Hey, I have 2 things already. Weird. Another MG. Okay, how would I leave game? Leave. I don't like this game. It's so boring. That's not what I was thinking of. I don't really... Oh, I think it's this... Not this one. Where's the game that I'm looking for? It's this game. Theme Park Tycoon. I think it's this one. I don't know. I've never played it. Okay, start. Home. Home and play the Car Tycoon. I've never played this thing. Play, play, play. I don't like the music. I do not like that music. So loud, so loud, so loud. Oh, here. Oh, dang it, that's... Yes, I get the red car. Nissan, I think. Na 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 na. music. I do not like, actually. So you guys can hear me now. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know. I just blocked the music so nobody can hear it. I don't like that music. I don't care if you guys do, because I hate it. Okay. 22. Okay. I'm Dodge? What? I thought I was Nissan. But I'm not. I need 250. This can go way higher. Way faster, I mean. Oh, they crashed. They almost crashed into each other. How much money do I have? Super car. Buy? Not enough Robux. No. Upgrader. Money. Okay. Close. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Wait. Cancel. Okay. What? Oh, I think that was the oh, I have 200 and something. And not. Oh, I already have enough for 200 and 500 now. Super upgrade done. No. Cancel. Okay. I'm gonna do some exercise. You know that thingy. Oh, how about I jump over the things and try to get to the beginning? No, I touched one. I touched. Yes, I got to the beginning to get my money. 300 cash. Buy walls, I need 100. Buy windows, 350. Seriously? 350. Wait, no. Yeah, that's 300. Exactly what I needed. But now I have 0 cash. Upgrade walls, 750. Car platforms. I need another dropper, which is 5,000. That's what. How would I just jump? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Here, can anybody kill on this game? I don't know. Don't know. Oh, he's in the same level I am. Okay. But he already did this. I bought the supercar or the 500 dropper. Can't steal his money, huh? But yellow is Chevy. What? Wait, did I? Oh, so I could have bought something from him. Oh God. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Bye. 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 Bye.